Welcome to my channel. It's June the 19th and I'm here in Brooklyn Center. I just dropped off little man over here and I'm gonna drive to Shakopee. I want to go see if Mystic Lake is open. They said it's open. I just want to go in there and see what it looks like with COVID-19 and social distancing and face masks and all that. And then I'm gonna drive from there to St. Paul. But right now, welcome to my channel. Smash that button, subscribe. That's how you support the channel. And hopefully you're doing well. You're having a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. But again, it's Saturday, June the 19th, and I'm driving from Brooklyn Center to Shakopee. Enjoy my journey. So, some people have gone back to work because now driving in the evening, there's a lot of traffic, meaning some businesses have opened and people are back to work. In March and April and part of May, every time I drove on the freeway, it didn't matter whether it was weekday or weekend, they had very few cars. But now we're starting to get a lot of traffic, which tells me that a lot of businesses have opened. Even though not all businesses have opened completely, I lost my job and I'm not looking yet. I'll probably start looking here in August, so that when he goes back to school in September, I can have a job. Right now, just enjoying time with him and everything. We are blessed. So I'm gonna turn left here, go to Highway 100 South. There's 100 South. It feels weird driving without the music on, but I realized when I post videos, sometimes they get blocked because of the copyright for the music. There's still Brooklyn Center. There isn't much here to see, it's just a freeway. But as you can see, there isn't too much traffic. They don't have a lot of vehicles on the road right now. And it's 6:24. Normally this would be packed if COVID-19 wasn't here. is fast, meaning there isn't too many vehicles on the road. This is St. Louis Park. If you go to the right, that goes to Minnetonka, which is where the rich people live. Yep, people with money live over there in Minnetonka. There's a cop. He's gonna burst people for speeding. Speed limit is 60. I'm going 65. Everybody is going 65. And it's gonna catch someone. Actually, its speed limit here is 55. Gonna catch someone going 70, 80. Give them a nice ticket. This is Edina. Edina, it's next to St. Louis Park. It's a suburb. So I'm gonna go to 494 West. This 494 West. As you can see, the sunset in the west, and right now it's in front of my face. That's a nice view. I'm not sure if it's as beautiful as I see it without using the camera. It's a nice view. This is Highway 169. It goes all the way to Mankato, Minnesota. Of course I'm in Minnesota, but it goes all the way to Mankato. I used to drive there quite a bit. Canterbury Park, Mystic Lake is coming up here. So I'm gonna make a left turn here. Mystic Lake Drive, Canterbury Drive goes to the right, Mystic Drive goes to the left. Should be at Mystic Lake Casino in about 5-6 minutes. It's not too far from here. Probably 2.5 miles, 3. So thanks for watching. That's my journey from Brooklyn Center to Shakopee, Mystic Lake here. You're gonna see the casino in a minute. It's out there in the background, the red letters over there. So I'm gonna go in there. I'll be there, I don't know, an hour, a couple of hours, then go home. They're not doing valet parking. It says closed. So COVID have changed a lot of things, and I want to see what they have done about social distancing inside. I have my own mask here, and I'm not sure if they are providing any masks or not, but I guess I'll find out. But I have my own, so I don't care whether they're providing masks or not. So that's a casino. I'm surprised they have a lot of cars in the parking lot here. But of course, it's a casino. Everybody thinks they're gonna come here and become a millionaire, which is not the case. It doesn't happen. You can win a couple of $100, but that's about it. Don't plan your whole budget for gambling, because it's not gonna be good. So I'll find a spot here. I'll show you the casino on the outside. I don't think they allow people to record when they're inside. Okay people, that's a casino over there, and I already parked, so I'm gonna go in there and then see what it looks like, whether they're doing social distancing. Just walking now. Okay people, thank you again for watching my videos, and subscribe again, I remind you, and have a good time whatever you're doing. All right, peace out.